vote. Tanya?
All right, thanks, Michael. Well, Martin and Osa Johnson may have traveled far and wide from the jungles of South America to the plains of Tanzania. But it all started right here in the 4 states. KOM photojournalist Liam Mandelbaum takes us to the Safari Museum in Chanute, Kansas, where their story comes to life.
The Johnsons were very passionate about creating a record of our natural and cultural world, because they saw the modern world is expanding and growing into these pristine areas, and they wanted to create a record for future generations of the culture, the customs, as well as the wildlife. It begins with Martin Johnson. You've got to start with an interesting character by the name of Jack London. He was part of the 1907 to 1909 snark trip through the South Pacific, and that gave Martin the spark he needed and the passion to travel the world more and filmmake, and met Osa on a blind date, and together they traveled the world after getting married, and the rest is history, I guess. There were people doing filming in Africa, but it largely tended to be colonials, hunters, filming their exploits. And the Johnsons brought both an artistic as well as an anthropological, zoological eye to their work. They wanted to create a documentation of a world they believed was starting to vanish. They were truly a team. They were partners, 100%. What really makes this museum special is the story of Martin and Osa Johnson. It's the story.
Martin and Osa Johnson Safari Museum is open from 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. Tuesday through Saturday, and 1 p.m. to 5 p.m. on Sundays. We'll be right back after this.